All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and model my thinking of how to work in this worksheet that you are about to do. So first, I think this is going to be important. How can I write a fraction number sentence? Because we're going to need to use this for our worksheet we're going to fill in. So here you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, which is why the denominator here is 4. This is 1/4. This is considered 1/4. And then the other two are also considered 1/4. And so if you were to write this as how many total pieces are there, well, there are 4/4, and you can write that as 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4/4. Okay, just like there are 4 pieces that you can see over here, and when you add up the 1, 2, 3, 4, you end up with 4 out of the 4 pieces. Okay, so if this says 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4, that means that I have 2 of the fourths shaded in here. Here I would have had all of the pieces, all of the 4 pieces shaded in here. But you can see with the second one that I have here, only 2 of the 4 pieces are shaded in. That's going to be very important to help us with this next part. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this is going to look with my model. So it says use the fraction circle pieces to help you complete the table. So I can use this here to help me. And if I need to go back and use the e-toolkit, remember, it's always something you can look back at. So it says the pink is the pink piece is the whole. You can see the total. So I see 2 of the blue pieces on top. And I remember, because we've done this a few times, that 3 blue pieces would fit this. So this is in thirds. So I see that there's 2 pieces colored in, kind of like what I saw up here when I was just looking at how to write that as a number sentence. So here I think this would be, as a number, would be considered a 2/3, 2 over the 3 pieces. So I can write that as 2/3. Again, there are several different ways that you can write this. You could have written 2 all the way out. Okay, you can write 2 out of 3 pieces. Okay, however you want. There's different ways you can write. You can write all of them if you would like. I'm just going to write this for time. And then I'm going to show that I had 1 of the 3 pieces plus another of the 3 pieces, which helped me determine that the fraction was in fact 2/3, because there were 2 pieces colored out of the 3 that could have been there. So now you guys are going to go ahead and complete this. This is actually on page 100, what did it say? 34, I believe, or 154. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I have it here though for you, so you can write this in. So I want you to write the number sentence here. Then I want you to write this. How could you write this in words? Okay, then for this one, it says to write it in words here and words here, and then the number sentence here. So how many more green pieces could fit? Okay, and then it shows you the number sentence here, so you need to color in that many eighths, okay, that it shows. Then there's an extension that you can do to help think about fractions and how this can look with money. And this is the part 2 of it. And then this is what I definitely want you to do. Again, this is another evaluate question that hopefully we can do better on now that we've learned this. It says, Jimmy's friend Todd made a square pizza, and he wanted to cut it so each piece is 1/8 of the whole. So which ones of them here show each piece is 1/8? Remember what we talked about with a fraction. It has to be equal size, okay, and equal shape. Okay, they all have to be the same size, same shape. So look to find the ones, circle the ones that are correct. Okay, and then here I want you to write, that was the picture, this is the number. So now I want you to use these numbers here, thinking about the same pizza that we just talked about here. Okay, how would you write that as a fraction in numbers? Okay, so that's what that is here. All right, and then don't forget to reflect. All right, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions.